Military Sealift Command, Strategic Plan Proposal. Mission Statement. The purpose of a mission statement is essentially to explain the underlying rationale for a company's existence. It also proposes to know the functions of the company and its position in the society. The mission statement is critical in that it expresses a company's true identity and philosophy while establishing an image to be perceived by the general public. As such, the mission statement of the Military Sealift Fleet Support Command must emphasize the aforementioned premises. The mission of the Military Sealift Command is focused and value-driven in a bid to support our nation by delivering supplies and conducting specialized missions across the world's oceans. Vision Statement. A vision statement explains the position in which a company wishes to be in the company's future. This kind of statement involves thinking strategically on a long-term level and at the same time establishing its intentions. For most companies, the vision involves growth or sustainment in regard to overall size, capacity, and input and output. The company's vision is to be the leader in innovative and cost-effective maritime solutions. Value Statement. A value statement entails its values in terms of its social, cultural, and ethical responsibilities to its internal and external clients. The value statement expresses the company's foundational priorities and the actions that the company takes in this capacity. Military Sealift Command values the people, customers, soldiers, sailors, transparent and quantitative decisions, professionalism, and innovation in work as well as efficiency. The strategic priorities on the other hand include: support the global war on terrorism, aid customers in achieving their objectives, provide quality services, develop and care for the staff, ensure that MSC has the correct ships and people to conduct missions in the future. Validation of the organizational vision, mission, and values statements. The 7 steps of systems planning and preparation by Dr. Charles Heller are what I am going to use to formalize these missions. This approach has its roots in the previous Army doctrine and provides an intellectual channel to assist organizational leaders in solving command problems related to command climate and establishing a command vision leading to mission accomplishment. The 7 steps of systems planning are: establishment of a clear vision, identification and setting of specific goals, determination of exact objectives, determination of tasks to achieve goals and objectives, establishment of priorities, preparation by maintaining oversight, follow-up through evaluation and validation of the progress. Since Military Sealift Command is not a combat command, this approach will be acting as a combination of just a little bit of the military and mostly as a normal organization. The current trends in the environment as well as other factors affecting the organization's strategic plan are what will be used for external environmental analysis. Therefore, only factors correlated to the strategic plan are what will be used in this analysis. This is because the Military Sealift Command is a military organization that is not profit-oriented. External environmental analysis to cover the following areas: economical. Identification of economic trends affecting ship operations. The major sources for the economic trends will be the American Bureau for Shipping, the Transportation Research Board of the National Academies, and the Center for National Analysis. Technological. Analysis of technology and software used in other departments of defense components like Army and Airfare that can improve MSC operations. Government. Identification and forecasting of possible regulations affecting strategic development. Also, political trends may represent stability risk. The sources to be used will be the Defense Acquisition Regulation Systems, the U.S. Office of Personnel Management, and the Department of Defense. Future trends. Possible future events that will impact the strategic plan. Examples include base closure, overseas port changes, and military operations that will impact ship activities like increment and piracy issues and human and drug traffic. The source for future trends will be the Center for National Analysis, Department of State, Commercial Crime Services, and Department of Defense. Sources to use to perform an internal environmental analysis. A SWOT analysis will be used to identify the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The source to be used for the internal environmental analysis will be the organization's reports related to budget management and manpower, which include turnover, recruitment process, labor relations, and current status of objectives.